Welcome to Filman, Santiago and Family Channel once again. This is just a follow-up to our the Bomb Sentinel 29er Enduro Hardtail test ride and review episode just recently. So yeah, this is just to give you an idea of the total cost of this build, of this particular build, and then yep, we will try our best to give you the price on each of the parts or accessories, and also we will include some suggestions or alternatives for particular parts kasi yung iba medyo may kamahalan. For me personally, I don't think I can afford it as of this time kasi medyo may kamahalan talaga yung ibang mga parts na nasama sa build na ito. So we will include alternatives, and so it is up to you later on if you decide to have this kind or have the same build, yung same build ng ginamit natin last episode sa test ride dun sa Shoka. Alright. So, uso tayo nito ng konti. Let's start with the frame, of course. The Bomb Sentinel Enduro frame. 17 inches is the medium one. So this is it. The retail price on this one is 2,300 dirhams. Yun. And the next one is the rifle grenade stem, which costs at 250 dirhams. Tapos the next one is the Stinger missile handlebar. Yan. That is 165 dirhams. And then the Bomb Loop 4-in-1 headset, 170. So rekta-rekta na tayo, no? And I just can't, I don't want to read, I don't want to pronounce, I don't want to read the second word of this particular accessory. It's Holy blah 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 3.0 grip, 80 dirhams a pair, so kada pares. And the next one, the rocket dropper seat post. Yun. Yung seat post, ayan. Ito ba yun? Oh. That is 850 dirhams. There is an optional, this is one of the suggestions. Optional, you can replace it with the Bomb seat post, just the regular seat post for 145 dirhams. But now this is not a dropper, one, but personally I'd prefer to have a dropper on this one because it helps a lot. So the next one, the Mark III clamp, that's for 35 dirhams, and the motion saddle, 155 dirhams, and the Eagle Eye oversized pulley, this is just an additional, but the price tag for this one is 260 dirhams. Now for the front UFO boost hub, it is 335 dirhams. And for the rear boost hub, 460. Ito yung tunog mayaman na boost. So 335 and 460 respectively. The QR lock rear axle, 135 dirhams. For the advanced 29 boost trim, it's 780 dirhams. And the Bomb tubeless sealant, 95 dirhams. The tubeless tape, 25 dirhams. And the tubeless Presta valve, 55 dirhams. And the double cross pedals, 210 a pair. And the Bomb magnetic mount water bottle, 180 dirhams. Alright, ito pa, yung fender, 25 dirhams. Right, so yun ang presyohan. Okay, for the second group, ito yung non-The Bomb brands. Fox 38 fork with 180mm travel, 6,800 dirhams. The recommended fork for Sentinel is between 140 to 180 travel. Take note of that. Now for the other alternatives, other brands, 2,200 approximately for RockShox Yari. And then for RockShox Lyric, 2,800 dirhams. And for the RockShox Spike, 3,200 dirhams. Those are approximate prices only. But there's those three, they have the same travel with 160 millimeter. Right, so for the group set, for this build, meron itong SRAM GX AXS group set. This is an electronic one, kaya napakabanayad nung test ride natin dun sa Xiaoka. This is 2,900 dirhams. Now for the regular one, regular SRAM GX group set, 2,200. So may diferensya lang ng 7. For the SRAM GX Crankset, 800 dirhams. Now for an alternative, Shimano SLX group set including crankset na to, 1,900. Tapos meron ding Shimano Diore optional group set including crankset, which is 1,400. So nasa sa inyo na yan kung alin doon ang pipiliin mo for the group set or crankset. And for the brake, it has Shimano XT brake. Yan. For 1,200. And optional, merong Shimano SLX and meron Shimano SLX for 890 and Shimano Diore for 300. Now for the tires, it has Maxxis 2.4 yung sa rear, 2.6 yung sa front. So yun ang combination na nilagay nito sa may-ari. Which is good kasi maganda yung pangkapit. 2.4 DHF yung sa harap, 2.4 DHF yung sa likod and 2.6 DHF yung sa harap. 230 each, 230 dirhams. And the DT Swiss Champion spokes and nipples, which cost 380 dirhams. For this build, ito yung total cost. Yan. Yan ang total cost approximately. Pero kung yun nga, if you will follow the alternatives, makakamura ka. But again, yung pinaka main product nito, yung Sentinel na frame, the BAM Sentinel 29er Enduro, it's the price is 2,300. If you're watching this within the duration, they have a promo dito sa the BAM UAE. You can check it from their website sa c2cuae.com. Meron silang promo, 20% off. Yun, hanggang June 10 lang yung promo. So, yep. And, yep, may nagtatanong, yung frame alone, ang bigat niya nasa mga 2.3 or 2.34 something kilograms. Alright? So, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this build episode. At I suggest to check C2C cycle2cycleuae.com for more details and information sa mga prices, and contact na rin, and they're willing to respond and reply to your queries and all. Ayan, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Daghang salamat.